Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I would like to show you the tutorial how to remove the background from your video clip on a CapCut application by iOS or iPhone. So first thing here, open the CapCut application and start a new project. And now you have to make sure that the video that you want to remove the backgrounds to or with has have like individual object on it, so it will be make you easier to remove the backgrounds. Okay, so for example, the video that we can remove the background is such as this video, which has one object on it, this videos two, this one, or this one. It will be really difficult to remove the background for this video, and this video, since it's too crowded, so the object is too much or it's a lot and have the same color or similar color with the background, so it will be difficult to remove. Okay, so let's find out which video that we want to remove the backgrounds to. Okay, let's see. I would like to try to remove this. Just click add, and now we already have this video on our project, and the things that we have to do to remove the background is just click the clip, and after that, until the tools of this is appear, and now you just need to like scrolling into the left side this tools until you found cutout. And this cutout tools, you just need to click it, and there will be appear these three options. You just need to go click the remove background, and now you just need to wait until the process is 100% applied into your video. And it just depends to the length of the video. The longer your video, it will be the longer time will be take to the process. So okay, almost there. As I told you, we need to have like a singular object to make it easier to be removed. Okay, it's already 100% applied, and I just need to go click done. Now let's say we already removed the background, but then this is gonna like a little bit failed because the object is too small, so that it's difficult for the system to like picking this object. But anyways, that is the way how to remove background on a CapCut application. If you find that this tutorial is really helped you, don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel.